Video I'm showing you how to send voice messages on Twitter. So firstly open your Twitter app and then click on envelope icon in the bottom right corner, and here you can choose any of the person, you can search any of the person that you want to send voice messages. And when you see the person's uh, Twitter account, click on the Twitter account and then you can see all these options. And in the most bottom right corner you can see these voice messages. Click on this and then you have to click on the continue to allow access to microphone. Then you can click on the allow button and then you have to again click on the click on this, and then you can see the, you can also listen the again this you can listen this audio by clicking on this listen button, and then you can start listening the audio. And if you confirm it, then click on the send button in the bottom right corner, and then you can send voice messages on Twitter. So that's it, that how you can send voice messages on Twitter. So that if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.